Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful underrated herbs out there, and that's sage. Often overlooked, this herb has a long history of use in detoxification, energy cleansing, and supporting overall health. Stick with me as we uncover why sage is truly the ultimate detox herb. And don't forget, I'm always asked where I source my herbs. Well, you can grab responsibly sourced organic sage and other wildcrafted herbs at naturalworkshops.com. And don't miss the 50% off your first purchase to get started on your herbal journey. Now, let's get into this. Did you know that sage has been used for centuries as a cleansing herb? Both energetically and physically, sage has a unique ability to purify. Its potent antioxidant properties make it a powerhouse for protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This is why it's often referred to as a detox herb. Sage is also excellent for supporting respiratory health. Its natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help soothe the throat, reduce coughing, and clear up congestion. Sage tea, or even a herbal steam, can make a big difference if you're feeling under the weather. Sage has been revered for centuries. In ancient times, it was considered sacred for its healing properties, believed to cleanse negative energies and bring balance and harmony, primarily by various Native American tribes who used smudging as a sacred spiritual practice involving the burning of sage to cleanse energy, spaces, and individuals. So the act of burning sage is to cleanse negative energy from a space, ridding unwanted or stagnant energy, paving the way for renewal and well-being. Let me know in the comments if you've been using sage for smudging too. Now, while we often focus on its physical benefits, its role in spiritual detoxification is equally profound. If you want to use sage as a herbal tea, all you need to do is to use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried sage leaves to 1 cup of boiling water. Simply steep it for 10 minutes, strain it, and enjoy. In cooking, use sage to season roasted vegetables, add to soups or even homemade bread. Its earthy flavour adds depth while supporting detoxification. Now, while sage is generally safe, it's important to be mindful. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid excessive amounts of sage, as it can stimulate uterine contractions. Also, sage may interact with certain medications, particularly those affecting blood sugar. So always consult a healthcare provider if you're on medication or you have a pre-existing health condition. So whether you're sipping on sage tea or adding it to meals or using it for energy cleansing, this herb can bring balance to your life. But just remember, detoxing isn't just about physical health. It's about creating harmony in your body, mind, and space. And sage can be a great ally in achieving this. So if you're ready to start your journey with sage, head to naturalworkshops.com to get your hands on organic and wildcrafted sage. Plus, you'll get 50% off your first purchase to help you get started. So thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share these videos, but don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more herbal tips and natural solutions for your ultimate well-being. Until next time, stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.